What's up YouTube? Anthony coming on with another video. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and stay up to date with all my videos. So how is everyone doing today? So in this video, we are going to be discussing the Max Bounty campaign update. As you see right now, this is going to be a little bit of a different video, but what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to log into my computer and I'm going to let you guys see what's going on with the campaign, but more importantly, I want to give you guys updates on the campaign, and I did a little bit of optimizing, but what I'm going to do in today's video, now bear with me, my camera's a little shaky right now. I kind of want to I'm using my iPhone to do this. I usually use this camera here, but every time I use this camera to film, this thing's heavy. I mean, I feel like I got a brick in my hand that I'm walking around with trying to film. But anyways, so today's video, I'm actually going to log in, and I've got some results and some updates I want to share with everybody. Now, this is particular to Max Bounty, the campaign. As you guys know from the previous video, I was actually running the auto loan offer. Now, the auto loan offer, the network overall EPC was 0.02 cents. I don't pay any attention to that because once you get your offer optimized, your keywords optimized, your EPC is going to be a lot different than everybody else. There's people out there spamming links and hoping for sales, but more importantly, this video, we're going to log into Max Bounty, and as you guys can see, let me show you guys my setup right now. So let me sit in. So we got the computer here, the microphone, but you can see right here, let me put it on my screen. I got the Max Bounty set up right now, but more importantly, I'm actually really pumped for today's video because when you guys start a campaign from zero, it's interesting to see what happens when you go from losing to making money. Now this campaign, I look at all campaigns with the kill metric. When I start to get conversions, it helps me figure out what is the kill metric for that keyword. So in the beginning, we had discussed that my kill metric would actually be 25 clicks, but we're actually going to dive in, and there's some interesting stats. Because I feel that when a lot of people get started with affiliate marketing, they struggle. It's hard to make your first couple sales, but once you start to make some sales, you start to see like, okay, this is losing me money, this is making me money. Now, what can I do to improve upon that? Now, as you guys see, I'm rocking the EAM gear. Let me know what you guys think. Hey, these shirts are really comfortable. They're for all the students of mine. But anyways, let's actually dive into my computer. We're going to look at the stats, but more importantly, we're going to optimize on the stats. But also, let me know if you guys like videos like this because it's actually a really nice day here in Missouri. Let me know where you guys are from in the comments below. It's pretty neat to see that, there's people viewing from Canada, United Kingdom, Africa, all over the place. There's people like dropping in from all over. So let me know where you guys are from. Drop a like on this video, but more importantly, no more BS. Let's jump into the computer. Let's look at the stats, and then let's optimize and improve upon the stats.
Hey, I work hard every motherfucking day, I work hard.
So I have some great news for everybody right now. So I talked to my Max Bounty affiliate manager. Just for you guys watching this video, what he's letting me do is actually put my Max Bounty affiliate link. So underneath this video, if you have not applied for Max Bounty and you want to get into an affiliate network, use my link below this video to get signed up with Max Bounty. But more importantly, let's actually do a campaign update. How is this campaign running? So this campaign is still in the negative, but I've made a conversion. Now, the powerful thing about conversions is that once you start to make some money, you can see what's working, what's maybe not working, but I'm starting to see what my audience, what's working for this particular car loan niche audience. Now, I've never ran this type of campaign on Bing. Now, I know other people who have success with this niche on search traffic primarily, but let me actually log in so you guys can see what's going on. So let's log in. Log in. So as you can see so far, $9 made today. Now, that's not amazing, but it's good to see conversions coming in because now we know what's working, what's not working. But let me give you the campaign update. So the other offer that I was wanting to run, I reached out to my affiliate manager. He let me know that that one was actually going to be pausing. What they're actually doing, they're taking that auto loan offer off the network because they weren't getting enough leads, and then they're going to bring it back with a new creative. And that just means that they're going to use a new website to try to increase more leads and conversions. So that let me know that I'm going to keep running the same offer, but as far as the update, it finally made a conversion, but I started to notice some cons in this campaign. One, auto loan niche is rather competitive. Now, that's completely fine. Now, I ran into issues with Bing ads. The very first issue I ran into Bing ads was that Bing ads was not letting my campaign run. I was getting some impressions, but the campaign overall was not running. Now, you will have this issue. It may happen, 1 out of 10 times. I reached out to Bing ad support. I said, hey, what's going on with my campaign? Why isn't my campaign running? So if you guys ever set up a campaign, reach out to Bing support and say, hey, what's going on with my campaign? Why is it not running? Now, here's the thing that happened. You may know more than the Bing ad representative. This person gave me complete fluff. They told me that because I set up 2 ad groups, I did set up a small split test. I'll show you guys what the split test was. But the representative from Bing said the keywords may be getting confused by having them in 2 different ad groups. That's why I wasn't getting clicks. I told him that was complete BS, that if he couldn't help me, to bring someone who could help me, because the only thing different between the 2 campaigns was that I ran syndicated traffic on one ad group and I ran Yahoo search on the other ad group. So there was no issue for the keywords getting confused with each other. I can't believe the representative told me that. So be careful what the representatives tell you the first time, because a lot of the front entry representatives, they're not the people who optimize and try to help people with their Bing ad accounts. They're just the Q&A customer support. So more importantly, let's actually take a look at my Bing ad account. So we see today, let me actually go to reports. Let's actually go to today. So my EPC for this offer is actually 0.04. The overall network EPC of this offer was roughly 2 cents. I still don't pay any attention to that, by the way. Now let's actually just do today. Run report. So the conversion rate today is 32 cent EPC, but I need to let you guys know I made changes to this campaign. Now, when I started to get in data, I started to see man, there's some shit not working on here. Drop a like right now if you guys can relate, where you set up a campaign and you never know how your audience is going to react until you start running traffic. And I'm like, shit, something ain't working. I need to jump in and see what's not working. So let's actually take a look at what wasn't working. So yesterday I made the change to my ad copy. Took a little bit to get approved, but once your campaign's up and running, you can make changes to it and the approvals will be a lot faster. But let's actually look at yesterday. Run report. 141 clicks, 0 conversions. So I knew something is not working, and honestly, this is how a lot of campaigns work out. They may not work in the beginning, but you have to look at that and don't make emotional decisions and go and pause it, which is what most people do. They'll go and pause it and give up. But let me show you what I did to actually improve upon this. Let's go over to Bing. So today, so far spent, let's actually go to my campaign level, choice auto loan, and now you guys see what my actual campaign is right now. Let's go to ad group. So first we will start there. So today, let's look at what's been spent. We've got 13 clicks. Now I've let you guys know that sometimes the clicks in Max Bounty do not line up with this here. Bing in Max Bounty tends to give people more clicks. Now I don't know why Max Bounty does that, but they always oversend clicks. I don't think they're real clicks. I think they're bots, or they're just not real clicks in general. That's why Max Bounty adds more clicks. But anyway, so now what I actually did with this campaign is, one, I noticed I wasn't getting any clicks, but I was getting impressions. First thing I did is I increased my budget. I increased my cost per click. I made it $1.25. Now sometimes when you set your keyword bid high, it does not mean you're really going to spend that, but I was letting Bing know that I was willing to pay more for that keyword. One, because I want you guys to see this campaign from the inside out, but more so than I want you guys to see, I want to spend some money so you guys can see what's working, what's maybe not working. So more importantly, I came to find out that my ad copy was not related with the audience, and it sucked. Now, I did build this campaign in roughly 15 minutes, and I should have done more research, but this was just more for teaching purposes, because I'm sure a lot of people, they set up campaigns and their click-through rates under 1%. Now, look closely at this. It's 0.36%. I spent $7. I made 1 conversion today, but yesterday I lost money. Now, the track this campaign is on, based off of the EPC and the early optimization, this campaign will go negative today. I may be able to get another conversion, but most likely I will lose today on this campaign. A lot of affiliate marketing campaigns, it'll be negative ROI, break even, going to profit. Now, if I would have done more research on this, I could probably break even a lot faster, but I set this up very generic, very quickly. So now, more importantly, now, just so you guys know, I at least want my CTR to be above 1%. It's very low right now. So my audience was not relating with the ad. Now, more importantly, let me show you what I spent yesterday. So it's very heartbreaking to see, but I had spent $50 roughly yesterday and made 0 conversions. Now today, when I saw that, I said, man, what is not working? So then I made changes to my ad copy. Now, I don't want to test or make too many big changes, but I want to increase this click-through rate, by the way. So let's actually look at today. And something, as you see, I'm running syndicated and I'm running Yahoo. So I made a split test there. That's the only split test I'm going to do for now until I get enough traffic to my kill metric. Now that I made that one conversion, I can kind of base that one conversion or the first couple conversions off a general kill metric. Now, more importantly, let's actually look at what I changed. Let's click on here. Let's actually look at the ads. So I want you to take a look at this. So these 2 ads, the ones I set up originally, were getting me insanely low click-through rates. The click-through rate was roughly 0.20, 0.15. Just the click-through rate was awful on these. So it did not convert. But I made a conversion with the new ad copy. So sometimes when you build a campaign, you'll realize the ad copy doesn't fit the audience with the exact keyword you're using. So all credit accepted, auto loans for bad credit, get instant loan approval, options including low payments, apply now. I gave a pretty clear call to action, but the audience did not like that. Now I want you to take a look at the revamped ad copy. Now my goal is to try to increase the click-through rate right now. So let's actually look at this. 0.40% click-through rate. Now look at the ad copy. 60-second car loans today only. Instant car loans applied today. So I wanted to give them the customer the feel that if they apply today, they will get a car loan. But it's not going to take them 2 hours to apply. Apply in 60 seconds. That's the vibe I wanted. Now, I didn't make too many changes, but I knew this old ad group was not working, so I also made a new variation. Fast and easy car loans, guarantee approvals today only. So I want them to know that they are a new prospect coming to Bing, coming to Yahoo, and I want them to know that the deal is only today to get a car loan. So I'm trying to give that scarcity in the actual ad group. But yeah, drop a like or a comment below if you guys have questions on this, kind of what I'm doing, but it's pretty interesting to see like what's working, what may not be working. Now let's actually click into the keywords. There we go. So the keyword that converted today was actually bad credit car loans. Now I'm assuming that the people coming to Yahoo are searching that they actually want to make, get a car loan, and that's why the keyword bad credit car loans converted. Now, as you see, I haven't tested it enough, but I have to get some more data. As far as average position and everything else in terms of split tests, we see right now that auto loans, it's more of a broad keyword, and there's not enough data here to actually make big decisions. But the click-through rate's not terrible, but it's still below my 1% kill metric right there. And we see this loan cars. I have no idea why it's got, a 2% click-through rate, but maybe the people typing this in relate more with the ad copy that they're seeing. But let's actually go back over to Max Bounty. Let's go to the dashboard. So let's talk about this campaign now. Now, the good, the bad, the ugly. Now, this auto loan offer, now it's a search campaign approved, so that means I can run this on Bing advertising. Now, what I'm not liking is the return. So today I'm in profit, but based off, if I spend $50 with this new ad copy, I may lose, roughly $25. Now, generally, you want to be testing offers. When you direct link, which is what I'm doing, it causes issues because you can't just switch out offers as you like. When you switch out the offer, you have to change out the final destination URL. So if the final destination URL is Max Bounty, as you see right here, I have to change that per offer that I change. So I hope all this is coming together for people who are running Bing ads, but This week, as you guys know, I wanted to make, a different type of series. Every week, I want to cover a different traffic source, but let you guys in on some golden nuggets and just so you guys can see, what happens in the affiliate marketing world. How do you live that laptop lifestyle? How do you spend money, make money, but also how do you look at that data and try to make data-based decisions? I could have made an emotional decision and said, I spent $50 yesterday and killed it. I could have gave up, but I did not give up, and I'm still pushing forward. But look at it like this. A lot of people don't realize this. When I very first started, I had a test. I lost money. And the thing is that once you find that campaign that you enjoy running, you find that sweet spot, all it takes is one day of ROI, and all the money that you tested with buying data, you make right back. But I don't want to drag this video on anymore. I'm glad you guys got to see what the campaign update was like. Overall, moving forward, what I'd like to do is test different auto loan offers just to see if I can increase that EPC overall. Now, also, I'm not using a landing page, but moving forward, honestly, I believe this offer would convert better with a landing page, just to pre-sell the audience a little bit more, get them a little bit more prone to that. They're going to have to put in more information to convert that lead. But as always, come check out my private Facebook group. I actually did a post yesterday where I did a campaign review, and I hope it's no one's offer. Like, if you're in my Facebook group right now and you're watching this video, I hope that I did not reveal one of your Facebook fan pages and one of the offers that you're running. Next week, we are going to be covering Facebook, so I'm very pumped for that. We're gonna do a live stream this weekend also, so if you don't have that notification bell on, hit it right now, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And by the way, thank you for watching. Have a great day.
I was just starving in them apartments. This shit feel like yesterday. I was just going to sleep on some cotton. This shit feel like yesterday. I ran my bands up and know I'm not sorry, so I ain't feeling like yesterday. Niggas saying they gon' rob me. I heard the same.